Actually, this is from applications of differentiation. Next chapter anyway we are going. From that it is given equation of curve whose subnormal is equal to a constant number a. Subnormal is nothing but length of subnormal. It is called length of subnormal. Length of subnormal equal to a. Then you must be ready with tangents and normals chapter from application of derivative. Okay. As per order, you are finishing first this and then continue. For our time, I am doing this integration. All this next I am going here. Already we know in from material of mains CAT. It is not in POC. Okay. Only it is exclusively for CAT. What is length of subnormal formula? Y coordinate multiplied derivative dy by dx. This is called length of subnormal formula. If you write denominator y by dy by dx, length of subtangent. Okay. This explanation of this concept and its formula, how we know what is the meaning of length of subnormal, subtangent, everything. In this chapter, I will give you complete with diagrammatic is given. Now it is a differential equation solving. Hence, direct problem, separating variable, integrating both sides, y square by 2. Over. Answer over. Second option. 2 you are writing here only. Y square is equal to 2ax plus 2c. Answer is finished. Second option. Moreover, like above problem, if they want information from this equation, what kind of information it is possible? In coordinate geometry, it represents a straight line, a circle, a parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. How do you decide? Very simple result. Again I am telling, this is quadratic in here y square is given. It is in the form of y square equal to 4ax. Parabola. Okay, it represents parabola. Name of the equation is locus is parabola. Like above problem circles they are asking. This model also can be given like that. So it is all about parabola only. Now, next model, differential equation. This is for order and degree 13. Y square equal to 2c of x plus c power 2 by 3, where c is parameter. As per options here, if you see, he is asking order and degree. Find order and degree. What is our first unit? To find order and degree, we need differential equation. Differentiate once. 2y dy by dx is equal to 2c. Derivative is constant, 0. 2c. Okay. R from this, what is c value? Y value. Substitute here, means eliminating constant. That is our rule. To obtain the differential equation, eliminate the constants. Y square is equal to 2y y1 of x plus c value. y1 whole power 2 by 3. Differential equation we are shaping out completely actually. Still some calculations are there. You have to do that. One y term cancelled. Y is equal to 2y1 x plus 2 y1 power 2 by 3 into y1. y1 is divided by x. This problem is not eligible to give order and degree because there is rational power. Rational power whenever we have, you cannot do. How to remove rational power? Isolate rational power one side. See here, what I can do is y minus 2xy1 equal to, now it is understood that how we can eliminate the rational power or convert rational power into integral power, cubing on both sides. Therefore 3 can be cancelled. Once it is cubing, y minus 2xy1 whole cube by 8y1 cube is equal to y square y1 square. क्या multiply? Is 8 y square y1 power. No, it is possible. Answer is finished. How we can say what is this y1 represents dy by dx? Okay, y minus 2x dy by dx whole cube is equal to 8y square dy by dx whole power. Whole cube, if you expand maximum, it will go to whole cube only. So what are the terms present? dy by dx whole cube, dy by dx whole square, dy by dx whole power 5. With all this, what is the order? Order of differential equation is everywhere only first order derivative present. Answer write down, order is 1. What is degree definition? Highest power of highest order derivative. Here one derivative present, repeated. Square root cube 5, which is highest. Hence answer degree is definitely 5. So problem is for order and degree. Here we are using two concepts. What is first concept? To get the differential equation, eliminate the constant. Okay. What is second concept? To find order and degree, equation must be integer power. If any rational power is there, eliminate that. Here because it is 2 by 3, we are doing cubing on both sides. If it is 3 by 4, raise 4 both sides. That is only procedure. So that is what. Now 14th. See, simple. Y of t is the solution of 1 plus t dy by dt minus ty 1. Given y of 0 is minus 1, then what is y of 1 value? Particular solution. Whenever x is 0, y value 1. Then what is the y value whenever x is 1? So first find out general solution, then find particular solution. With that you find y of 1. Here dy by dx is correct, but this is extra. This is not useful here. Divide with it. dy by dt minus t by 1 plus t of y is 1 by 1 plus t. Linear differential. dy by dx plus py. What is p value? This one. This is p. This is q. Problem is between t and y. Instead of x, this is t. What is integrating factor? E power integral p dx. T by 1 plus t dt. Integration is more. How you will integrate it? E power. Add and subtract 1 now. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t. Okay. So e power t minus log of 1 plus t. E power t into e power minus log of 1 plus t. Bases are same. Then what is the answer? E power t by 1 plus t. That is our, because it is minus sign, e power t by 1 plus t. Now integration. Then in the integration here, what is our general solution formula? Y into if is equal to, okay, here add and subtract 1 plus t minus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t. So t minus log of e power t into e power minus 1 whole inverse. Both bases are same, 1 by 1 plus t. So e power t by 1 plus t. Y into if is equal to integral q into if dx. Here already minus is there. We have to consider minus sign. That is missing. Minus you put. Okay. Once you write here minus, right? This is minus, this is plus. Minus plus. Then just will be e power minus t multiplied by 1 plus t. Because it is sum into product. Now write down. E power y into e power minus t into 1 plus t is equal to integral e power minus t into 1 plus t into 1 by 1 plus t dt plus c. Answer is now finished. Integration minus e power minus t plus c. This is the value we have. Divide with e power minus t means actually 1 by e power t this is. By e power t plus 1 by e power t equal to c. Y into 1 plus t plus 1. C e power t final. General solution is final, complete. Now you see here. Whenever t value 0, y value minus 1. Given t 0, y is minus 1. t0, y plus 1. t0, e power 0 is 1, c. Okay, what is y value? Minus 1. Minus 1 means c must be 0. When c is 0, what is particular solution from this one? Y into 1 plus t plus 1, 0. He is asking, when t is 1, what is y value? T is 1. Substitute here y into 2 minus 1. Hence, what is y value? Problem looks like lengthy, but don't feel it is difficult. Ordinary problem. Only time spending. Slowly, you select a third level, last model. Slow process, solution oriented, guarantee correct answer. Very leisurely you are making into linear differential equation and therefore solving general equation, particular solution, given value. Hence y value must be minus 1 by 2. This is called a particular solution of differential equation, a method of solution oriented only. You cannot escape anywhere. So called third level I said. Solution oriented in the sense you cannot go for alternate method, short method, I will apply formula at least how to get answer means no. Very slow process. But looks long. Okay, sometimes you have to get ready for some solutions. Then 15th equation is given by x plus 2 by y plus 3. Here also simple. Particular solution only asking. Geometry problem. Okay, see. Y equal to f of x is as usual solution. dy by dx is x plus 2 by y plus 3. Separating variable direct problem. y plus 3 dy, x plus 2 dx. Integration, tell me direct answer. Y square by 2, 3y, x square by 2, 2x plus c. Then y square plus 6y, x square plus 4x plus 2c. Take all one side. X square minus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus k. Instead of 2c I write k. This is equation. Now he is giving answer. Lucky. You are very lucky. He is writing answer only. He didn't ask about what is the name of the locus. Okay? Circular, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. He is not asking. Answer only. Direct answer. But here, general solution over. What is our general solution in this form? With this, if the curve passes through 2, 2, since curve passes through x, y, x value 2, y value 2, substitute. You will end with one particular answer. Substitute here 4, cancel. 8 minus 12 minus 4 plus 2c. 2c equal to 4. C value 2. Means 2c only 4 write down. I will not calculate everything. Directly you go for calculation. Answer is 4. Finish. There you have to save time. Although we spent here 2 minutes. Nothing. Answer is finished. Where is this answer? X square minus y square 4x minus 6y plus 4. First option. First option correct. Okay? But CET over. In mains they will ask you what can be the equation. What is locus of this equation? What it represents? First of all, it is not circle. Okay? It is not circle. People who are writing mains, I am giving you extra 1 point. This is not circle. Minus is there. Definitely can be a hyperbola. Very fine. One formula I gave. A general equation ax square by square 2hxy 2gx 2fy plus c represents parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Hyperbola, comma a plus b 0, rectangular hyperbola. A plus b 0. Okay. What is h value? 0. AB value minus 1. 0 greater than minus 1. Understood? You are getting this condition. Rectangular hyperbola. Not even hyperbola. See how much depth it carries. Only that equation. The table also I gave for mains divisions. How you can speak about nature of the curve. All are there. Okay. That you leave it now, not necessary. Go to 16th. Here, second order differential equation given. Find the constant value. Simple. CET problem. Very happy. These models maximum you have to spend time for this. Preparation, CET preparation, this type of model. He is also writing answer. Somewhere they can ask you some unknown value. Either C1, X3. It is not X3. It must be C3. Print mistake. Okay? It is not X3. C3 write down. 16th problem. 3 unknowns. He is asking any one of these 3. Here he is particular about what is C1. Second derivative given. How to convert second derivative into first derivative? Integrating. It becomes dy by dx. E power minus 2x by minus 2 plus 1 integral constant. From first derivative, how to go to y? Again integration. Y equal to. What is integration of this? E power minus 2x by again minus 2 plus. What is C1 integration? C1x. Because it is indefinite integral. One more constant extra. C2. Now, completed. Compare with this. What is given? given. You got e power minus 2x by 4. Then what is 1 by 4 represents? C1. Right? He is writing order. I am doing my method. Okay? C1, C2, C3 like that. Anyway, no problem. This constant you got. What is x coefficient? He is writing C2. General constant. Right? Minus 4 I am not simplifying as it is only. Because they want. If I take 4 LCM, no denominator, then that 4 I have to take here. It becomes 4y. They want only y. Therefore, completed. 1 by 4 must be answer. See here. Second question. Simple. Your presence is important. Problem is not difficult. Logically. Solving also not difficult. 2 times integration not difficult. How you will make a formation? Either you take LCM or else don't take. If I take LCM, it becomes 1 only. Why do you ask 1 by 4? See, if I take LCM, what happens? 4c1x plus 4c2 whole by 4 will come. There is no such denominator. You have to take here. It becomes 4y. But only y. Hence, problem is as such. Leave it. Y means y. All are there. So the answer must be 1 by 4. So then next order degree you do that simple problem. Why do you do again now? Only formation we need, no solution. Order degree, almost it is clear. First order, first degree. 18th find the solution, second order. One step I will give you here. See, x into dy by dx whole square plus 2 root xy dy by dx plus y0 given. Something is missing here. What is missing here? It will not be command direct first 1, 2, 3, 4 methods. It is not in that connection. Homogeneous, variable, separable, I am very happy, I am doing solution, linear differential, nothing is there. You change the problem. Change in the sense of simplify, reduce the problem. This is nothing but expand. A plus b whole square, a square, b square, 2ab. Clear? Square cancel. Now problem is finished. Now it is very easiest way of solving. What is the order of this? 1. Degree 1. Then you can solve it. dy by dx equal to variable separable method only. dy by root y dx by root x first variety. Integrating both side answer. That first step I gave. Remaining things are easy. Next also. Okay. Find the solution linear differential. And then next order and degree. Enough. Maximum I am giving you ideas of this differential equations. In the assignment, if any extra things are there, I will give you. It is not necessary for you. 23. Exponential series not there for you. Need not to see 23. This is correct over. This is order of derivatives, differential, family of circles. 34 is like our 13th that model. Homogeneous equation. So better practice almost all assignment problems. All are straight away given. Okay. With this differential equations we can stop here. Next we will go to application of derivatives back. So next class I will start application of derivatives. Very very important and powerful and danger. Out of 5 minutes. Scoring topics first I will finish and then we will be safe side. Okay? Right.